Most buyers think negotiating a home comes down to one thing, the price, but it doesn't. Hi, I'm Carmen. I'm with EXP Realty Northwest Arkansas Branch. And the price is just the headline. The real money is in the terms underneath it. Right now, the market has tilted towards buyers, so there's more room to ask than there's been in years. Start with the seller credit. Money the seller puts toward your closing costs so that you bring less cash on closing day. And then there's the inspection. Almost every inspection turns up something, and that's a whole second chance to negotiate repairs or a credit. And timing is a lever too. Give the sellers the closing date they need, and they'll often give you the terms that you want. And don't forget what physically stays, like appliances, the washer and dryer, sometimes even the patio set. A lot of it is negotiable. And here's the mindset shift. Treat your offer as a package, including price, terms, timing, and risk, not just a number. The buyers who often win aren't the ones who push the hardest on price. They're the ones who know everything that's on the table. So if you're thinking about buying, let's talk through everything that you could be asking for. There'll be no pressure, just a clear picture before you write an offer.